Good day, everyone. Learn how to create a Instagram story or Instagram post in Canva. So open your browser and open Canva, canva.com. Once you are logged in to the Canva, you will find a window like this where you will have these options. So we need to click on this social media, or you can simply click on create a design. Once you click on create a design, at the left hand side you have many options, and we will click on more, or you can simply search Instagram. So you want the Instagram post, Instagram story, Instagram reel. So I'll go with the Instagram post. And here we have the templates. Like if you want to do for the Easter, or you want to do the birthday wishes to anyone, happy birthday, like that. And you will find a lot of, great things here, and you can select any of them like that. And then once you're done with the writing, you can add text and you can edit the text, and then you need to click on share and then click on download. File type PNG, best for images, and click on download. So now it's downloading, and we haven't taken even a minute to create a Instagram post. Now you can see we have successfully created a post, and now we can go to the Instagram and post it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.